Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Rubil Patel, and today I'm excited to show you the CodeMeet, a full stack video calling interview platform. I built that combines a real-time video call and with an integrated code editor. So, what is CodeMeet? So, think of it as a Zoom, but with a late code. So, all in one application. So, this is what the CodeMeet is. So, let's dive in. Firstly, what is CodeMeet? CodeMeet is basically a remote interview platform designed especially for technical interviews. It allows interviewers to connect live video interviews with the or conduct live video interviews with the candidate while they solve the coding problems in the real time. So the platform includes video calling, screen sharing, recording capability, and a built-in code editor with the syntax highlighting and test execution. So this is what the code bit basically means. This is what the code bit basically means. So firstly, let's go to the demo part, and then we'll go to the key features and all. So firstly, let's dive into a demo. So yeah, this is the CodeMeet. Firstly, we need to register ourselves. If we do not have any account, we have to sign up, or if we have an account, we have to log in ourselves. So the login part, authentication part is handled by Clerk. So thanks to Clerk for that. So I already signed in with the Google in the last use. In the last use, I used Google for login. So I'll again use the Google for that. So we'll have to select our Google account, a Gmail account, which we want to sign in as, and we have to continue ourselves. Let's wait for the sign in. Let's wait for the login, and then we'll move to the part of our application. So yeah, we have logged in ourselves. So I do have two dashboards. One is for company, one for interviewer, and one for candidate. So let me first show you the candidate. Let me first show you the interviewer dashboard. This is the interviewer dashboard. In the interviewer dashboard, we have one new bar with the CodeMeet logo of our application dashboard, where the all events will be shown to the interviewer. This is the dashboard for the interviewer. Then our theme toggle button. We can switch our application in the light theme or in dark theme as our requirement, and we can also set it as a system. So I'm using the dark mode in my system, so it is dark for me. And the profile section, in which we can manage our account and log out. And also this is handled by Clerk. So I implemented Clerk for that authentication and all part. Now this is the dashboard for interviewer. A new call, where interviewer can create a new call, can join the interviews, schedule part, where interviewer can schedule the interview with the candidates, and recordings part, which is like basically used for a future authentication or future use. We will store the recording of our coding interview inside this section, so we can access that in this section. And for the candidate, candidate, we're gonna see this dashboard. In that, new bar is same, but candidate will not have four features which is interviewer had. Candidate will see only their interviews, and will able to join the interview using the join meeting ID. So this is what the candidate dashboard look like. And let's move to the interview part. So firstly, let's move to the schedule part. So interviewer can schedule the interview with the candidate. So for that, we'll have to go to the schedule part. Let's go to the schedule dashboard, and here is the UI of the schedule interview. We have a good looking interface, in which we have shown user the interviews which is completed, and if we schedule an interview, the interview will be shown to the interviewer here as well, as it is scheduled. So let's schedule the interview first. We have to press the schedule interview button. Then we have to set the title and description for the interview. Let's use a simple testing purpose, like we are using it for testing purpose. So let's give this title and description. Then we are able to select the candidate. So we do have multiple candidates in our application. So which candidate is used for which company? So for like which interview will take the interview of which candidate. So interviewer can decide the candidate by here in this section. Interview will select the candidate. In this time we do have two candidates, a test one and a Dhruvil Patel. Right now I'm using the Dhruvil Patel as a candidate to show to you. Then interviewers, number of interviewers, like here I am the interviewer, so I got myself in an interviewer section. We can add multiple interviewers in this interviewer section. Then our calendar, basically we can schedule our time, like we can set the date and a time which we want to schedule our meeting. So in which time we want to schedule our meeting, and yeah, after all of this we can schedule interview. So after the schedule interview, like when we schedule the interview, we'll see that interview in the interview section in the as an upcoming event. And we do have a date and the time mentioned here, and title and description. And because it is not started yet, like the time is not come night, like the interview is on 20th Jan 10 a.m. and right now I do have like do not match the time, so that is why it is waiting to start button. But once the interview like once the time reach, will see the button to join this meeting. So yeah, this is what the scheduled interview dashboard or scheduled interview function look like. Now let's move to the other page. Like now, firstly, I'll show you one thing as well. Like the scheduled interview with the candidate, like with which candidate we scheduled, is also able to see the upcoming interview in their section in the dashboard as well, so that they can directly join the interview using this link. So yeah, this is what it is. Now let's move to the another function, another feature, I would say. So let's move to the new call interview. So let's start the interview. So why this feature is there for the interviewer? So it is basically a feature for interviewer to start the interview immediately, because sometimes the scheduled interview won't work, because if we want to take the interview of the interview of the candidate just now, right now, so then we do not need to schedule the interview. We can directly start the interview. So for that I do have function, I do have this feature, a new call, a start an instant call, in which the like interviewer set the interview title, and then we can, like interviewer can give the description as well. Right now it is like it is optional. If we want to add the description, we can add. Let's skip right now for now, and then we can schedule the interview. So like we can start the meeting, sorry. So once we start the meeting, we see the toggle of camera, microphone and setting. So camera and microphone access, so we can give the camera and microphone access. As I'm interviewer, I just need to give the permission of the microphone. We are not like we can give the camera and microphone both access, but for now let me give the microphone only microphone access. And then we can go to the setting. We can see the what camera we want to use for this application, like for this interview, which mic we want to use, and we can also set the speaker. Like if we have Bluetooth or any Bluetooth device connected, then we can select that, and all. So yeah, this is what the setting basically means. Then after that we can directly join the meeting. So let's join the meeting. So yeah, this is what the basic dashboard for the joining meeting for the interviewer. So interviewer will see this once he joined the meeting. So here we do have our own thing in which it is like real time thing, like because I'm talking to you guys, we are open with the mic, right? So it is detecting the real time voice and can share like can talk to the candidate right in the real time. So we do have that feature. We also have video call. Video right now I'm not giving the permission for video as an interviewer. I'll give this permission in the candidate section. Then we do have a reactions. So while candidate is solving the problem, we can share our reactions if we want. Like we can share this, we can do this, and the reaction will be shown here. So yeah, this is what it is. Then we can share our screen as well. But as an interviewer, I do not want to share the screen of mine. I'll share the screen via the candidate. So we'll share the screen, and then the recording section. Like if we start the interview with the candidate, then we can record this call and can see in the future. So I'll start the recording once the candidate join and start their coding practice. Then the leave button, if we press it here, we'll gonna leave this meeting. Then this is the view, how like what view we want to use, a grade view or a speaker view. So this is what I personally feel good, so I'm using that. And here we have participants. So right now I'm just only one. So here I'm getting me as an participant. Once the candidate join this, we'll see that information here as well. So this is what it is. Then we are able to directly end the meeting, because we are interviewer and we are host of this meeting. We can directly end this meeting for everyone. So yeah, this is what it is. Now come to the right section, and which we have interview questions. So this is basically a Leetcode question, a two sum. Right now I do have three questions. Like I integrated just three as an example, and we can select the questions as per here, like two sum or reverse string or palindrome number or anything. And let's go with the two sum. We can assign the this question to the candidate directly from here. Like we have to press this button, assign the question to the candidate, and then the question will be assigned to the candidate. I'll show you in some time. And then this is the question. Like this is the what is the question basically. So interview will see that right now. So yeah, this is what the basic overview of a meeting portal, of a meeting page from interviewer side. So make sure we copy this meeting ID so that we can join it with the candidate section. So let's copy this, and interview can share this meeting ID with the candidates, and candidate directly can join that meeting, so that and not everyone can join the meeting. So that will be safe for candidate and interviewer to join the meeting. Now let's come to the candidate part. Here we are able to see the join with the meeting ID button. So we have to press that, and we can directly paste the meeting link here, or we can directly paste the meeting ID here. So if you want to paste the full link, we can place there. We can place the meeting ID as well. So yeah, that is what it is. So let's like paste the meeting ID here, and let's join it. So yeah, this is the same dashboard. This is the same view for the candidate before joining. So we have access of our camera. Like we can give the access of camera, microphone, and setting. So the camera access is also, like, let's give the camera access right now for candidate, because I want to show you to that how this feature works. So let's give the permission of camera and microphone, both of them, and let's join the meeting. So yeah, let's join it. I joined the meeting. So it is in the real time. Like we are able to see the candidate. We are able to see the interviewer here, and this is the candidate. So yeah, we are able to see this, and we are not able to see the question right now because firstly the interviewer need to assign the question to the candidate. Then after the interview assignment, that when the interviewer will assign the task, we'll see that in this section. So let's go to the interview dashboard, and let's assign this to some question to the interview to the candidate. So let's assign this. So yeah, after the assignment, we are able to see the current assigned question to some to in interviewer dashboard. If we want to switch the question, we can switch the question, then assign it again. So the question will be switched in the candidate section as well. So right now let's go back to the Tusham, assign this question, and after the assignment we are able to see that in the candidate section, and the question are like we are visible with the screen. We are able to go through the question first, and we also able to write the solution in the editor and in a code editor. So we can select, like in the code editor, we can select the language we want to write this code. Right now, let's go with the JavaScript, and we have to write the code here. So let me write the code first. Yeah. So yeah, this is the code. Now let's run the task test cases for that. So that, like, I paste this code from the Leetcode because I already solved this, and I already uploaded the video of solution in my YouTube channel. So you can go there and watch the solution for this. I'm using this for reference. So for time, to save the time, I'm just pasting it answered. So let me paste it. Yeah. So yeah, let's run the test. Let me run the test. So because this is true, I'm getting the test cases clear, and now I can submit this solution. If we do have any mistake, let me make some mistake. Let me change only one thing, and yeah, after this change, let me run the test again. So yeah, because we have mistake in our code, the test cases won't pass, and because it is not passed, we do not need to, we do not have any submission, like we do not able to submit the solution. So yeah, this is basically a real-time coding editor. So it tests everything, and if the answer is correct, then only then we are able to submit this solution. So after the submission, the submission will be shown to the interviewer as well. So that is there. Now let's move to the features for this video call. So we do have a mic and a camera option, in which we can share our camera, and we can on camera, we can off the camera, we can on mic and off the mic as well. We are able to give the reaction as well. We are able to share our entire screen. So once we press on the screen share, we are able to share our entire screen, and the shared screen will be shown to the interviewer part as well. So interviewer will also see that part in the real time. So it also works perfectly. So like when the candidate is doing like coding, then we are able, candidate can share the screen, and interviewer can see the real-time task, real-time thing which the candidate is doing in the real time. So that is there. We can stop the screen as well, and then after that we can record the section as well. From the interviewer side, we can record it so that we can store it for a future purpose. So if we want to evaluate something, or we want to go with the recording, or we can go with the recording as well. So we do have record feature. Once the candidates once the interviewer start the recording, the call will be recorded. So let me first give the share the screen. from the candidate section, and let me write the code again, like let me paste the code again. So let me paste it. So after the paste, once I paste the like I'm able to see the screen here. So because I'm recording it, I'll interview will able to see this screen share to the section, recording section as well. So yeah, this is what the basic means. Like this is what the CodeMeet basically means. This is the main feature of our application, by the way. So in this section we do have functions, right, with like mic, camera access, reaction. We are able to also share the screens. We do have recording option, and the candidate will solve the questions in the real time. Interviewer will assign the question in the real time, and the candidate will see that question, will solve that in the code editor, and then able to run the test cases and can able to submit the solution. So this is what the basic section, a basic interview section look like. Now let's end this meeting. Let's move to the recordings part. So recording part is basically what we have already recorded for this from the recording section. So I do have already recorded some testing purpose videos, and now the latest recorded video is here. So we can open that and we can copy that video link as well, and then share it with the anyone. We can play the recording, and yeah, let's play the recording. Let's wait for loading. And yeah, this is what the recorded video look like. We have a camera, we have a screen which the candidate share, and we do have a real-time coding solving video, so that we can judge the candidate by that. So we can pause and play the video. We can set the like speaker, we can off the mic, like we can off the speaker, we can on the speaker, we can adjust the volume of the speaker, we can full screen of the video, and we are able to also set the we are able to also download the video. We are able to set the play speed, so we can set the 1.25, 1.52, or anything which you want to run this video in. And we have picture in picture feature, which is like toggle the video in a smaller length. So this is what the basically recording section look like. So this is my product. And also after the completion of our interview, we are able to get that interview in the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. We have already submitted interviews here. This is what the submitted interview we just completed, Dhruvil Patel, and what is the role. So we are able to view the details. So in this we are able to see the details, that submissions, what are the submissions the candidate did with the test cases, passed or not, and we are able to see that inside this. So here we are able to give the rating, a pass or a fail, to the candidate directly from here. So because the candidate is completed the task, we are able to pass the candidate, and we are able to see that in the real time in the dashboard, in this dashboard as well. So here we have a pending state of a front end testing to his scheduled interview, and this is what our interview we just completed. So we are able to directly view the details here as well, and pending state. So the review is pending, so we are able to get that. So because we already, like, candidate passed the interview, like candidate give the answers, so we will pass this candidate. So, and we are able to add the note, by the way, as well. So let me add something, that you are passed. So Now we can pass this candidate with this detail. So let's pass this candidate. So yeah, we are able to see that in the status as well, and in the candidate section as well, that we are passed, and we are able to see the detail that with the note that you are passed, and the status that passed. So, and we are able to see the submissions of our own of as a candidate. So yeah, this is what the basic overview of this application. So thank you.